welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So yesterday it took a very exciting trip to Ikea. It has been so long and it was so nice just to be going to another shop that wasn't Aldi for a change, and got some really nice bits. Just to give you sort of a little quick overview of my experience, we went kind of mid-afternoon-ish. The queue looked quite big, but actually it moved within 5 minutes and I was in. There's like hand sanitizers all over the shop as well. The only thing that wasn't great was that people weren't sticking to the 2 metre in store. It just wasn't happening. No one was policing it and no one was really doing it, I didn't feel. So it kind of made it hard to browse because you kind of felt like you were in people's way. Some bits were then like there was no people, and then next minute you turn a corner and there was like tons of people all kind of bottlenecked in one section. So that was a little bit, but luckily I kind of knew what I was going for, so I just sort of scooted my way around and got round to the tills, and there wasn't really any queues there either. It was really quick, and all the staff were, you know, kind of about if you needed anything. But yeah, so on the whole it was fine. We went to the Warrington one. Our normal one would be Ikea at Birmingham, but they didn't have in stock the main thing I was going for, so we went to the Warrington one. I didn't take the children in. They stayed out with my husband and they went for like a little walk. So it was kind of like a little forestry path around there, so they went for a walk there while I went in and did my thing, and it was very exciting. Right, the main reason that we were going was for this coffee table, which I kept the box from because it's already gone up, and it is the Vitjo. I have no idea. It's spelt like that, and it is basically a black and glass coffee table. So I'll insert a picture of it because we've already put it up in that. It's not styled yet by any means. We only got it last night and put it up, but it was only £35 and it is so nice. We've changed the rug in our like living area, and the old coffee tables just didn't go at all. It's just really classy. I just can't believe it was only £35. I tried to find something like in another shop to save us having to go to Ikea, but there was just nothing like it for that price. I'm so happy with it. I can't wait to like style it up with some books and candles and stuff. So that was the first purchase. So like I said, I'll insert a picture of that. And yeah, can't wait to style it up. I just think it was just a flipping bargain. Right, next I picked up 2 of the spice racks, the Beck fam. You can all have a really good laugh at me attempting to pronounce these Swedish names. These are only £3.50. That's the picture of what they look like there. You can see. I actually bought these. I'm actually going to paint them and use them in my like dressing room area to keep like my sort of like face creams and stuff. I bought some really sort of quick storage, like really cheap storage ages ago, just to like tide me over, and I've never really got around to changing them. So I thought I think I'm going to paint them black. And then pop them on the wall above like my vanity mirror, just to keep, like I say, just my everyday kind of face creams, sun creams and stuff in there. Just look a little bit neater than what I've got at the moment. And for £3.50 they're just a bargain. I've got some spray paint, so I'm just going to spray paint them up, and yeah, they should look cool. So I grabbed one of the trusty hanging plants. You can't go to Ikea and not come away with one of these. I've got them in most rooms in my house. I just think they're really effective. But I needed one for our bathroom because I pinched the one out of there when I did the kids' bathroom. So I needed to replace ours. It just comes normally in this little pot. They're only £6. And then I just got this to put it in just for a change, this little wicker basket. I think it was £3.50 as well. I just thought that'd look cute on my bathroom shelves. These are just really good. They're so effective in any room. I really like them. Next up, for our wicker chairs that we've got either end of our dining table. We've had them for years. I'm pretty sure they still sell them. I just picked up 2 of these cushions. They're called the Nornas. They're like this like natural beigey colour. And yeah, they're only £6. I thought they'd be perfect to go on the wicker chairs because they are not comfortable if you sit on them with no cushion on. And we just had some kind of random cushions shoved on them before. So nice to actually get some ones that match. So yeah, I got 2 of those at £6 each. Okay, now for our living area, it was all grey before lockdown, and then we had some wallpaper on one of the walls. During lockdown, I got a bit itchy feet and decided I wanted to change it. I was a bit bored of the grey. We've had it for about 6 years and I just needed a change really. So we stripped the wallpaper off and we've just painted everything white for now. I might do like a feature wall, but I couldn't really get out and get a paint sample, so that might have to come in the future. But I've moved away from the grey onto like more like neutral beiges, that kind of thing, really calming colours. So I first picked up this blanket throw, whatever you call it. It's called the Antoinetta. It was £15. It's like this cable knit fabric. It said the colour was like a light grey, but it's really beigey. It's definitely more browny beige, and I think it'll go perfectly. We've got kind of like a off-white leather sofa, and I think it'll go perfectly on that. It's nice and soft, and that was £15. And then I got some new cushion covers. So I picked up the Joffred, which is like sort of a linen-y material. This one was £8. Then I got this one, which is Sanella. This is like a light beige, and I think it's more like a velvety, kind of crushed velvety material. I think that was £5. I got this one, what's it called? The Gulklocker, no idea. It's like this kind of patterned material. I'm not really sure how you describe it. Hopefully it's picking up okay on the camera. Again, like a light beigey colour, and this was £5 as well. Just thought it'd add a bit of texture. And then this one was the cheapest of the bunch. I actually absolutely love this colour. It's like a deeper sort of darker beigey colour. It's really, really nice. This is called the Girly, and it was only £1.75. I didn't realise it was that cheap when I picked it up. They're all 50 by 50. But if you can kind of see on my sofa, kind of the different neutral tones. I'll have to do like an updated tour once it's all done, because we've made some changes to the hallway as well. So it's all going on around here. Then to go in those cushion covers, I picked up some new inserts. So these are the Nin ones, 50 by 50. These are actually feather ones, so I thought they might look a little bit more plump, a bit more, you know, there's nothing worse than a flat cushion, is there? So I picked up these. I think these were £5. No, were they £5? Hang on a minute. I have got the receipt. Bear with me. Why can you never see it? £4 each. Right, then I grabbed this shelf. Now, I actually wanted two, but I could only find one, so I just grabbed the one. These are called the Burholt shelf. They're just white, they're only that big. They're only £2, but we've got some shelves in our kitchen. They're just not very deep, so I struggle to like style them properly because I haven't got the depth that I need. So I'm hoping with these I'll be able to get a little bit more on them. I'll just have to go back at another time and try and get the other one. And then I got these brackets to go with them, so they're like a really light wood. I think the shelf was £2 and these are like £3 each. Can't think which way it would go round, but you get the general gist. It will look something like that. So I did pick up the 4 brackets, and then I'll just have to find the other shelf when I next pop in. There was so much more stuff I could have got, but I was very aware that like the kids were outside and probably getting a little bit bored, so I tried not to like peruse too much. So I'm going to go back again in a couple of weeks to get the other bits that I couldn't get this time, and then hopefully, yeah, might even be a part 2 to this, and then hopefully I can grab that other shelf. Okay, then I picked up a few little bits that will eventually go on those shelves when we've got the 2 of them and they're actually up on the wall. First one was this little like a dusky pink matte canister. I really, really like this. I just love the colour of it. It's got like a little bamboo lid on it, and it was only £3.50, so that will eventually go on those shelves. And then I grabbed a couple of chopping boards, again for like decorational purposes. So this one's called the Prop Mat, and that was only £3. And then this one, I just really like the colour of this one, the Fascinera, and this one was £5. So they'll just be, like I say, just for like on display. I might film that when I do those shelves, because I always think shelf styling's like a bit of a minefield, isn't it? But I think I've got it in my head how I want it, so I might do a video when I actually get around to doing that. Then I picked up a candle. I mean, have you even been to Ikea if you don't walk away with a candle? This is the Sinlig one. This one was £1.75 for this size, and I got it in the vanilla scent, which is my all-time favourite scent from there. It is so nice. I can smell it from here. I love it, and it burns really well and lasts a long time, so great value on those. And then I got one of these like sticky clothes roller things, because my husband hates having like bits on his clothes, so he's forever like, before we go out, rolling it round. So treated him to a 75p one of those. And then the last thing I picked up were these fixer things. So they're like the sticky pads that go on the bottom of your chairs. Our dining room table, when the kids put the chairs back under, the noise it makes if they haven't got these pads on is like, it's awful. It's like nails on a blackboard kind of noise. So I think in this pack you get, yeah, you get 4 big ones and then 16 of the little ones. So I'll just use the little ones on the bottom of our chairs, and that'll fix that noise. It's just horrible. They're only like 50p, so total bargain. And that was everything that I picked up this time. Not a bad little haul. It was just so nice to go to a different shop. If you did like the video, then please do give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to tap the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Like I said, I am heading back there in a week or so, so you don't want to miss part 2. And also, if you're not following me over on Instagram, then head over there. I'm on there daily and I post all the updates of like what's going on, like home life and stuff, and outfit of the day pictures and things like that, and that's at Katie Walkler. But for now guys, bye.